that's traumatic as fuck.
It is.
You know what I mean?
So
and
he just been harboring that energy all this time.
And my son was there when I pistol whipped somebody for 40 minutes straight.
God damn.
The things.
Yeah.
38 minutes wouldn't have did the trick.
No, he only saw the first little point. And, BG grabbed him and took him upstairs.
Yeah.
My thing is,
so
their
they didn't see shit. He had to come see me in jail for 5 years straight.
Now that's the one thing.
Those are very singular experiences. You know what I mean? That they can benefit from therapy, but that's a big stigma in the black community.
Man, therapy gonna be
especially
funny.
amongst
I've been
time. Whether you're open to it or not open to it, I think that
if they want to go, I think we should go. If they want to go, I think we should go.
Okay, so we'll talk about that.
If they down to go, we should go. Shit, me and you might fuck around and find out some shit about ourselves. This nigga got a zip line out there, motherfucker, man. God damn.
Yes, sir.
Man, this nigga Boosie out here living, man. That nigga Boosie out here, they got a tree house, man. What the fuck is the tree house, bro? That nigga got a real tree house, cuz. Hell no, bro. Come on, man.
All the sticks are in this vicinity. Like, we collected them and just laid them out in this vicinity, so y'all can have the boys. All right, y'all collect the wood.
Where do we put it in your pocket, right?
We have, the fire's gonna be right here. Yep, we have a little bit of that.
Oh, I guess it's just because you were far away. Now it's going to put it right back in.
You know what I mean? And then those cinder blocks over there is what y'all can sit on. And King is sure he'll have no problem bringing his over here.
Yeah.
Tootie is not so sure.
Got King and Tootie, what's happening, man? America Mo want it.
Yeah.
America Mo want it, man.
Yeah.
Not done, sir. Sorry. One more time.
America Most Wanted. That might be the name of y'all album.
America Mo want it.
That might be the name of y'all shit.
They starting sitting or they just gonna walk?
I think we should get.
Man, we finna drop our diss record on King and Tootie.
Man, we
want to tell y'all.
Huh?
I'm gonna get y'all a young nigga diss.
Yeah, okay.
Young nigga diss. Yeah. I hate to hear this one.
Hey, boy, you know when this record play in the club about us now, you know what happened. Hey,
Nigga say a young nigga.
hey, nigga get the movie song. This record come on in the goddamn club. Hey, man, in our day now. Here we are, old as shit, talking about what happened in our day.
It's our days now.
It's our day now. Good, come get these bills. Come get these bills, man. You right, it's y'all day now. Come on, get these bills.
I got a motherfucking light bill gonna get your mind right. Look around.
This motherfucker lit up, ain't it?
Hey, I got one gonna get your motherfucking mind right. Right up to all the way right. You don't need to know.
Hey, man, hold up, bro. Do you have a loose horse running around with no stable?
Couple.
This nigga got a loose horse with no stable, bro. That nigga just got a pet horse. Bro, what the fuck? Hey, man. Hey, man. Hey, man. That nigga got a loose horse, man. Is that nigga on a chain or something? Is he tied to the chain on the tree? What the fuck? Hey, man. That nigga Boosie out here living, bro. Y'all got to come fuck with this nigga, man. This nigga out here living. Is that a carousel, nigga? Man, hold up, bro. Hold up, bro. Listen, man. Hold up, bro. This nigga got a whole motherfucking carousel, a merry-go-round out here, my nigga. Man, what the fuck? Man, this nigga here got goddamn a whole motherfucking carnival out here, man.
Tell them I'm doing a beach volleyball. Topless beach volleyball this summer. Topless beach volleyball.
Hey, man.
Beach volleyball.
Hey, man.
I'm the referee.
Here it is, damn near November. He talking about next summer.
Topless beach volleyball. I might don't even be able to focus on the volleyball.
Man, that dude got tears in my eye. That dude said he got a horse.
That man got a horse running around, chained to the tree, man.
They got all these exotic dogs looking silly.
What, that's a cane corso? Press a canary? That motherfucker, he look like he mean business.
Like 7 months.
Motherfucker mean business, man.
He's chilling.
Yeah, he mean business. That's a damn.
King got some retarded ass dogs. Hey, man.
Yeah.
He got a husky. That bitch so stupid.
Oh, you talking about 60?
That dog so
Ooh, 60. She's a mean motherfucker.
run all over here, jump into water somewhere, and come back the next morning.
60 a monster though.
60 a different 60.
Yeah, she ain't scared of nothing, though. She ain't scared of nothing.
That is crazy.
He know how to get dirty. That nigga dog.
Yeah, man, so.
He cool.
So, man, this is new generation parenting, man. You hear me? Trap music parenting.
So, fella, this
Yes.
circle right here is where we're going to try to put the fire when they do start. So,
So we aiming to be here.
we aiming to be here.
All right, cool.
So, eventually, y'all will be like half circle or 2 and 2 talking to each other, and then we'll have full coverage on you guys.
Got it. So, shit, I'm going to get on up out of here, y'all.
And then you're gonna
Get on up out of here so we can get back to our business, man.
All 4 y'all walking together.
I'm going to see you, goddamn. Boosie going to let me borrow one of these horses.
kind of lands here, and the boys gonna be like, all right, what's up? Like, what are we doing? Yeah.
See if we can goddamn borrow one of these horses, man. Take it back to my goddamn estate. Y'all stay solid, man. That unfuckwittable on the way. You hear me? And remember, you fuck with them suckers. Don't fuck with us. Okay? The line.